Hey everybody! To talk about today a thing that happens when you play really strong on the G string. Now what I was just playing was the ending riff from a song I recorded written by Chris Sanders called Love Medicine, and it's on my album from a couple years ago, Wings of a Jetliner. And this song has a situation that comes up in a lot of stuff, which is that you're playing in the low range and you want a lot of power, but it buzzes. Hitting it extra hard to try to get the buzz that's maybe so obvious when I'm sitting here playing might not be so obvious through the computer and stuff. But this buzzing happens. What happens is the strings here are really flexible. And when this is happening, this little bit of buzz, if you look from above, you can see that it's not contacting a fret. Now, of course, you can't look from above. You'd have to be standing over my shoulder, and that would be weird. So it's not contacting the fret. These strings are hitting each other is what's happening. And it's because I'm hitting in the middle of the string where all this movement happens. The middle of the string moves more than something that's tied down on one of the ends. And so if I pick hard here, like on my G and D strings, it's just a little buzzy. It's also a little bit fuzzy tonally. You know, that warm sound that lives up here by the fingerboard is less good when playing really, really strong compared to if you move back to here. So if you take your pick that was here causing that little bit of buzzing and you move it back to this range, that buzzing goes away. The tone also gets a lot edgier, but not in a tinny way. If you go too far, it's going to get tinny, kind of metallic. But right around here, depending on your mandolin setup, right around here, you're going to get that bold tone without the strings hitting each other and buzzing. And you can still move up to here in between if you want. But when you go for that strong stroke, bring it right back here. And this is why you'll see some mandolin players play up here on their treble strings and move back in this direction on the bass strings, is that the wound strings are more likely to make this buzzing sound because the windings can buzz against each other very easily. It's a very buzzy sort of a surface. So it's really common to see that right hand move back in the lower strings, especially as you start to play harder on the strings. Moving back in this direction just makes the better, bolder tone for that type of situation. So take some time to mess with that. I think you're going to have some fun with it. Feel free to ask questions in the comments and request topics. If you're watching this on YouTube, then make sure to subscribe to this channel and click that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Oh, I'm getting a call. I guess I have to stop. Click that like button for the YouTube algorithm and click that notification bell so that you don't miss anything. And if you're watching this on Facebook, then follow this page, click that like button, and share this video. Also, if you're into Strum Machine, use my link below to get 30 days free. And I've got a lot of questions about this pick. I feel like one of those fast talkers in the end of a commercial because I've got to go pick up the toddler. This pick, it's a Tone Slabs. It's a 23 round, and you should get your one. All right, see you all later. Bye.